Welcome to this session on understanding common allergies in urban dining. In this module, you'll learn about typical food allergies encountered by urban diners, how to spot symptoms, and how to build a solid foundation for allergy-friendly menus. Let's start by picturing a busy urban eatery where a customer's minor allergy turns into a costly crisis because subtle symptoms were overlooked. Imagine you're walking through a crowded market and notice the subtle signals of trouble, a slight cough, a watery eye, that whisper of an underlying issue. In the same way, urban eateries face small signs of allergy risk every day that, if ignored, could escalate into serious health problems. As you progress in this module, we'll unpack these early signals and turn them into actionable insights. Why this matters: urban areas are thriving centers of culinary diversity, but they're also hotspots for food allergies. Studies by the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases have shown that food allergies affect around 3 to 4% of the adult population, with higher prevalence among urban dwellers exposed to various allergens. When you operate in an urban dining scene, ensuring your menu is allergy-friendly isn't just about legal compliance, it's about customer trust and safety. Imagine a diner choosing your establishment because they trust the care you take with ingredients. Understanding common allergies isn't only critical for the health of your customers, it can set you apart in a competitive market. Just as earlier modules have explored customer expectations, this module builds on that foundation, ensuring you're equipped with one of the most crucial elements of modern dining: safety. What you will gain with this: a deep understanding of the major food allergies prevalent among urban diners, familiarity with symptoms and customer concerns tied to these allergies, insights into market trends and why allergy-friendly menus are a smart investment, confidence in implementing strategies supported by industry experts to create safer dining environments. The current challenge: many urban menus often overlook or misunderstand the complexity of food allergies. There's a common misconception that allergies are rare or easily managed. However, the reality is that frequent oversight can lead to customer harm and substantial negative publicity. Data shows that even a single allergic reaction can result in lawsuits or lasting damage to your restaurant's reputation. Hence, the need for a meticulous approach is greater than ever. Despite the progress outlined in our earlier modules on customer experience and menu innovation, many establishments still operate on outdated assumptions. They underestimate the nuance of allergy management, believing that a simple note in the menu is enough. Instead, a comprehensive, well-informed strategy is required, one that combines research, customer feedback, and practical application. Building an allergy-aware menu strategy to ensure that your menu is both appealing and safe. Start by understanding the most common allergens in urban dining. Let us break these down. 1. Common allergens in urban eateries: peanuts and tree nuts. Often hidden in sauces, dressings, or baked goods, nuts are among the most dangerous allergens. Shellfish. In coastal cities or international urban centers, seafood allergies are more frequently reported. Dairy and eggs. Found in numerous processed and traditional dishes, these allergens frequently affect urban populations. Gluten. With the rising trend of gluten sensitivity and celiac disease, understanding gluten's presence even in non-traditional foods is essential. Soy. Increasingly prevalent in processed foods, soy can trigger reactions in urban diners who rely on diverse ingredients. Expert sources such as the Comprehensive Guide Food Allergies, a complete guide by Dr. Ruchi Gupta, emphasize that knowing these allergens isn't enough. You must understand how they interact with your food preparation and service practices. Additionally, insights from the work published by the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology advise us to go beyond ingredient labels, considering cross-contact during food preparation. 2. Identifying symptoms and customer concerns. Urban diners often face subtle symptoms like itching, swelling, or mild gastrointestinal distress before a full-blown reaction occurs. Recognizing early signs can make a crucial difference. For example, skin reactions. Hives or rashes can be an early indicator of an allergic response. Respiratory issues. Difficulty breathing or wheezing may occur rapidly after exposure. Digestive disturbances. Mild nausea or cramps are signals that shouldn't be ignored. Listening to your customers plays a key role here. While previous modules covered general customer feedback, now it's about reading between the lines specifically for allergy signals. Equip your staff with the knowledge to ask the right questions about ingredients during order taking. 3. The market trend for allergy-friendly menus. The urban market is leaning heavily toward personalized dining experiences, and inclusion is at its heart. Market trends indicate a shift where allergy safety is becoming a major selling point, as seen in emerging research by the Food Allergy Research and Education Suddenly, creating an allergy-friendly menu isn't just about risk management. It's also an opportunity to widen your customer base. According to leading experts like Dr. Robert Wood, a proactive approach to allergy management can transform a dining establishment into a safety-conscious brand. This strategy not only minimizes risk but also builds trust and loyalty among diners. Customers today are more informed and cautious, and they value restaurants that proactively accommodate their needs. How we will bring it all together? The next step is integrating these insights into a clear, actionable framework for updating your menu. Actionable steps. 1. Ingredient audit. Review your current menu and identify potential allergens. Cross-reference ingredients to check for hidden allergens. Map out cross-contact risks in your kitchen setup. 2. Staff training. Conduct training sessions focused on allergy awareness and emergency responses. Provide guidelines on how to ask the right questions when taking orders. Regularly update the team on new allergens, drawing on research from FAIR and clinical allergy guidelines. 3. Menu transparency. Clearly label allergens on the menu using symbols or colored markers. Offer detailed ingredient lists for complex dishes. Create a separate, allergy-friendly section that highlights safe choices. 4. Customer communication. Encourage your diners to mention their allergies when ordering. Set up feedback mechanisms so customers can report any issues. Publicize your allergy-friendly practices to build trust and reputation. Pro tools and hacks. Digital menu platforms. Use apps like iMenu Pro that allow you to update allergen information in real time, ensuring your menu stays current with emerging allergen trends. Allergen management software. Consider tools like Food Allergy Manager that can help track allergy incidents and customer feedback, providing data to fine-tune your practices. These tools complement the strategic frameworks we discussed in previous modules, giving you a tech-savvy edge in allergy management. Quick wins you can do today. Post clear allergen symbols next to dishes on your menu board. Have an open conversation with your team about potential allergens and necessary precautions. Review customer reviews specifically mentioning allergies. Address concerns promptly. Your turn to take action. Take a moment to audit one popular dish from your menu. List its ingredients and potential allergen risks. Discuss with your team how you can minimize cross-contact risk in the kitchen. Write down one change you can implement immediately to enhance transparency for your customers. These steps, though small, can lead to significant improvements in customer trust and safety. Wrapping up and looking forward, now that you have a deep dive into the common allergies urban diners face, you're equipped to start implementing allergy-friendly strategies in your restaurant. Remember, understanding the intricacies of ingredient risks and customer symptoms is as essential as crafting a delicious meal. In our next module, we'll shift our focus to regulatory standards and safety protocols. We'll explore food safety regulations in detail and how they impact allergen management. This progression builds on your newfound knowledge of allergies by ensuring that your establishment not only cares for its customers but also complies with all necessary guidelines. Take these insights into your daily operations and watch as they transform your dining space into a safe haven for every customer. Enjoy your journey in making urban dining both delectable and secure. If you want a supportive community, join our WAP where you have all the tools to succeed and surround yourself with people with the same goals. That is all for this module. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.